we are going to look into Azure Logic Apps. So first thing that I'm going to create for this lab is a storage account. So storage account, if you look at here, come here, create a storage account, create. Already taken. It doesn't matter, just put something unique. So we'll take blob storage, standard. We don't want any redundancies because you don't want to pay money more. Next. Nothing. Okay. Keep it as it is. Make sure that this is enabled. You don't basically have to do anything. Just make sure that they are enabled. Okay, this is very important. Just disable these things. We don't need these things. Okay, so if you enable these things and if you create a backup or something, then it will really get hard to delete the backup. Okay, just delete those things. We don't need those things anyway. Keep it as it is. Next. Next. And if you want, you can give a tag, but this time I will leave without a tag. Create. Okay, once it has been created, we go there. We are going to create a container. So there are 4 things that you can do. Containers, file share, queues, and tables. Go inside the container, add a container. We don't need these things. Create. Okay, so we created a container. You go inside the container and upload a file of your choice. Okay, I will leave it up to you how you want to do that. So if you look at here, I have uploaded a file, a PNG file, upload, and a file has been uploaded here. So I have got a storage account, I have got a container, and I have got a file inside the container. Now let's go to the Logic App, Logic Apps. We are going to create our first Logic App, create. We are going to use consumption. The reason we are going to use consumption is like for us, while testing or doing some lightweight workload, consumption is really a very good one. If you are working in the industry and if you have compliance issues and all these things, so we will be using the standard one. However, we want to make things easy for us. We will go with the consumption. auto scaling and everything will be done automatically by Azure, so we don't need to worry about anything. Give a name. We'll select from what we already have got. Okay, so LG1, let's say Logic App name, and come here, select Sweden Central. We don't need log analytics and all these things. Okay, just make it as simple. Tags, we will skip the tags, just click review and create. Let's go to the resource. Come to the Logic App Designer. We'll add a trigger. Specifically, we are going to add, because when a blob is add or modified, so when a blob is, okay, this is the one that we are looking for. If we click here, oh, okay, now if you will not get this one directly. Okay, I got this one directly because I already have a connection here, so I will click here, change connection, because I don't need this connection. Okay, so I need to create a new connection. So here you have a new connection. We'll use the access key. The name of the storage account is, this is the name of the storage account, and the access key. So if you come to your storage account, if you come to the access keys, you will find the access keys here. Okay, so just get this access key, click here and put this access key here. Let me make sure that we have this one copied. Okay, so the access key has been done. Create. It will establish the connection with your storage account. Now you will be able to see your storage account here. So if you look at here, I can see my storage account here, and you will be able to see your container. This is the container that we have created. Yeah, save. Now add another trigger. So you have established the connection. Once you have done with the connection, the next thing will be something related to you are going to do something with the blob. Let's see what we have. Get blob. I forgot the name. Okay, get the blob content. Okay, now let's map to the content. If you look at here, this is the storage account, and you are going to map to your blob content. So if you click here, and this is the image that we uploaded, so we are connected to the blob content. So if anything is being added or modified to this content, we will get the trigger. Okay, now this is where we establish the connection with the storage account. This is where we map to the content, where actually the scope, where we are focusing. We are connected here. Save. Now we need to send an email. Add another action, and another action will be sending an email. Send an email. Use this one. To put your email address, let's say okay, whatever you want to put, it's up to you. It is completely up to you, whatever you want to do that. Now let's try to run and see if it works or not. Let's go a step back. Let's run again. Okay, it may take a little bit of time. Now what you need to do here is you need to come to the testing. You need to enable the static testing. Click here, output, and it's coming. Testing, enable, status output, succeeded. Okay, leave it as it is. Save. Okay, save here. Then run. Come here. Get, you can check the connections. Come here, add new connections, sign in. I already had connections, a lot of connections, so you need to sign in with your account. Save it. Okay, it says failed. At last we got something, it failed. At last we got something, it failed. That's okay. Nothing was coming. Let's run again. Come here. Let's run again. Show runs. Let's come here, change the name. There is a failed. Okay, everything is failing. Okay, this is where we are having the problem, and that is where it is not going. Okay, because what happened is I changed the name of the file earlier. So let's come here, and anyway, let's come here. Let's make it rename. This was the default name that we have. We are back to the default name of the file. Let's skip here. Then let's run it again. It is succeeded. It has succeeded. So if you look at here, this was triggered, and this was triggered as well. Okay. Hopefully I will receive an email. But I did a dry run and it is working.